Hello to all my fans. We are here in Singapore to Birds of Paradise. This is a very interesting ice cream place. They don't have any classic flavor, like zero. What I have here is macadamia butterfly something and midnight janduja. This is the macadamia butterfly. Very interesting flavor, very interesting color. It's light blue, you can see. It's very good taste. I'm gonna try the midnight janduja. Very good. I can feel the hazelnut notes. Very nutty. Yeah, good ice cream.